Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for joining me today. I'm really excited to share with you the June 2021 Kiwi Club Kit called Enjoy the Journey. So I'm already excited and all I've done is look at the package. But I'm loving the airplane up here. There's some fun stuff about the different states. Super cool. It's funny, some of it's states and some of it's cities, just different kinds of places to visit. All right. Quick picture, quick look at the back. So we got lots of greens, browns, some burgundy, some gold. So this will be fun for getting those outdoor pictures, some travel things. I know I have a trip this summer to go visit my daughter in Virginia. So travel seems like just the thing for this time of the year. I think a lot of us are starting to get back out there a little more. So let me get my little corner protectors off. Love those things. My kit always comes in beautiful shape. Let's take a quick look at the paper first. So this is that one that I was kind of noticing through the package. It's got all kinds of cool little things on it. Love it. Back side is a green, kind of geometric. Oh, nice. A friend of mine just did Route 66 last year. She is gonna want this. Super fun. All kinds of different vehicles to travel around. This is kind of almost a peachy color. This is kind of a deep gold, orange, just a patterned paper. And then this one, it looks like the little things that you would use to mark like on a map are kind of the accents. So that's fun. We have a shape like this from one of the template sets. Kind of a deep gold, like a wheat color, just pattern. And then this side says travel, pit stop, let's go, paradise, attraction, all kinds of different words on there. Then we got airplanes flying all over the place. This is kind of a mint color. Cute. Backside, kind of a chevron, got a deep teal. This is another almost mint with, it's almost reminds me of chicken wire in white, kind of a design on there. And then this side has the compass rose. So it's a deep blue paper. And then that compass rose is in a bit of a turquoise. And then these must be our background sheets. So we've got two different ones here. They're kind of a deep blue on this side, just a subtle pattern, or this kind of sagey green tone. Okay. And then this is kind of that orangey golden tone on this side. And a light, kind of a cream tone with a yellow, light yellow geometric on this side. So lots of beautiful papers. I've mentioned many times that the palette that comes out of the paper packs makes it so easy to create with because automatically everything goes together, which is fabulous. So you don't have to look any further than the kit to have all of the fun stuff. So let's take a look at the sentiment cards that came this time. The world is too big to tell just one story. So true. Ooh, that's kind of a brick on the back. Live a life full of adventure and new places that take your breath away. Love it. Brown, summer nights and city lights. Cool. Life is greater. Oh, wait. Life is either a great adventure or nothing. Wow. Road trip. And up in the clouds on my way to unknown things. Cute. I can see I'm going to need to take some extra photos this summer. So eat like the locals. Fave. Nice. Little journaling card. Travel log. Date and location. That's cute. Little journaling card. Go see do. Enjoy your journey. Travel does the heart good. Wanderlust. A strong desire or urge to travel and explore. That's cute. My favorite thing. Going where I've never been. I would say that's pretty true for me. These are cute, just little tags basically to put around your layout. Keep track of things. And then destination found, so another little journaling block. Ooh, I just noticed the back side of this had different stuff on it. So that Wanderlust card, sorry I didn't even notice, you probably did when I flipped it over, has these fun little, almost like a file folder label. Those are cute. So lots of great cards. Love the color palette for this. I do a lot of outdoor pictures, you know, a lot of hiking and things like that. So these colors are fabulous. Okay, let's take a quick look at the templates. I noticed that one of them is like a doodle sheet and template this time. So that's a little different than something they've included in the club kits before. So we've got this really cool scenic route. And then these cool arrows. And I saw in the ideas to inspire, I love that they showed to put these, one going one way, one going the other way, to make it a little bit easier to cut. So that's a neat idea. And then this one would be great for some doodling. You could also cut some small templates with it. And I think this might be really cool, like with some texture paste. So I don't know, we'll have to see. I'm going to be playing with this one a bit before I make my collaboration video for this month. But like I said, lots of cool things to just do a quick little outline of. Okay, but then you could smear some of that texture paste over that, or use it with a dauber, like as a stencil. I don't know, my mind's a thinking. So cool stuff, you guys. Really excited to play with this kit. If you are not already a club member, check out my description for a link if you want to learn more about it. And don't forget to go download the free Ideas to Inspire book. You'll find that in the shop. You just add it to your cart. There's no cost, but when you add it to your cart and check out, it adds it to your downloads folder. So I hope that you guys are looking forward to the collaboration this month, and I will see you later in June with a video featuring this kit, and then I'll probably do a calendar page as well. So I hope whatever you're doing, you're having a great time. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.